knows, but he does go on and on and on, always telling us so. He is a splendid fellow, but he really is quite vain. Who do we mean? You got it! James! Take a look who's coming down the track. Make way for James, hooray for James. Shiny, shiny paint with the jet black stack. Make way for James, hooray for James. What is for certain and we really should note? It's indisputable, but let's take a vote. He's a really splendid engine with a bright red coat. He can brag all day how fast he goes, how good he looks. He's such a pose. But what about the time he got covered in mud? Oh, what a dope, what a dud! But up and down the line, you'll hear the others say, despite his vanity, he really is okay. Dependable, reliable, and seldom late. We all think James is great. Speeding down the line like a lightning flash. Make way for James, hooray for James. Hang on to your hat as he whooshes past. Make way for James, hooray for James. He really knows how to stage a show. You gotta stand back and watch him go. He's a really splendid engine with a bright red coat. Look who's swanning it down the track. Make way for James, hooray for James. He never looks up, he never looks back. Make way for James, hooray for James. Attack conceited and really quite vain. He knows we love him just the same. Take a look who's coming down the track. Make way for James, hooray for James. Shiny, shiny paint with the jet black stack. Make way for James, hooray for James. He's a really splendid engine. Shiny, shiny engine. He's the really splendid engine.
Yep.
That's our James.
That's James.